like, നമ്മൾ അവരോട് പോയി ചോദിച്ചു, like, and then these guys were actually waiting for me to come out. Like, what made them to wait for me, അവർ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. They wanted to know if I was really okay, if I was fine and all, because അവർ പറഞ്ഞത്, in my subconscious mind, I was telling these two paramedics that, whoever who helped me out is Angel Raphael. I mean, we all know there is different angels. There is Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael. There's 3 archangels to my knowledge. I don't know if there is more. But why did I say this was Angel Raphael? I mean, that is also something that I was asking myself, So, yeah, and then eventually I came to know Angel Raphael is an angel God who heals. Like, he is the angel who heals you. So there is all these interpretations as I'm, like, going through in my life. It talks about a lot of things. There's angels to protect you. You always have to connect with God, the creator. That is what the prayer is all about. Prayer is not about the religious rituals where you do one Father or Hail Mary or normal ആയിട്ടുള്ള religious prayer-നേക്കാളും what we need to build is that 101 connection with the creator, 101 connection with the God, God Almighty. Because in my case, what happened is that when I knew that I'm almost gone from this world, I sincerely said few sentences from my heart, telling the God that I'm not ready yet. I'm not, എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴേ ഇവിടുന്ന് വരണ്ട. I have a lot of things to accomplish, a lot of things to fulfill in my life. Not, like, when I say accomplish, it's not about worldly accomplishment, okay? It's about the purpose of my life. Like, I have a purpose to fulfill in this life. And I sincerely from my heart, I told God at that point, I will live a life that will make you happy, proclaim about God, the Almighty, the Creator, that I won't be ashamed about proclaiming about God. Because all I can tell you is, nobody was with me inside my car. It was just me talking to God, confronting Him, talking to Him. Means not through my mouth, to my heart, through my heart. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തപ്പം എന്നെ വിശ്വസിച്ച്, because God or whoever, like the creator had confidence in me. Like, he had faith on me that if I am alive, that I will be proclaiming about his name, that all credit goes to God. Because if I'm alive today after 4 years and 3 months, it's because of his grace. He sent a random stranger. It can be a random stranger, or it can be really Angel Gabriel, like, Angel Raphael, or whoever it is. But there's no way. I didn't call him. Moving car stopped immediately in a red light. Nobody was walking by. Who is that random guy who was kind enough to take me on a 9:30, like, on a 9:30 a.m. weekdays? He took me to that, എന്നെ പ്രോപ്പർ സ്ഥലത്ത് എത്തിക്കേണ്ട ആൾക്കാരുടെ അടുത്ത് എത്തിച്ചിട്ട് അയാൾ പോയി. So whoever he is, it's just a blessing. I totally believe it's a grace from God that I'm still alive. Because നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ, we are all in 2021. ഇപ്പം ഈ വർഷം തീരാറായി. So many people passed away last year. കോവിഡ് വന്നും അല്ലാതെയും ആൾക്കാർ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഒക്കെ മരിച്ചുപോയി. And I'm still alive here with completely healthy, like no issues for me at all. Because അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും, even doctor was saying, I really don't know what really happened to her that made her, like, പെട്ടെന്ന് all of a sudden, in a split second, these things happening and coming back with normal, ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല, my body is fine, everything, everything looked fine. So I really don't know what happened to her. But I know what really happened to me was something that made me think afterwards, like, why am I still alive? He was so graceful that he let me live. എന്നെ ഒന്നും കൂടെ ജീവിക്കാൻ കർത്താവ് അവസരം തന്നു. That means he had faith on me. Now I have to prove to God every day that, I am worthy enough to live. that God is so good to me that every day of my life I should be fruitful to others, more than fruitful to my family, to my husband and my two kids, which I am still doing because I'm still working. I'm a working mom. I work for Philips. I'm an engineer. I have two girls. Now they are 7, and the second one is almost going to be 5 years old. But God made me see all these ഡേയ്സ് ഇൻ മൈ ലൈഫ്. ഇവരെല്ലാം ഇത്രയും നാൾ കാണാൻ ദൈവം എനിക്ക് ഓരോ ദിവസവും അവസരം തന്നു, യുനോ, വിച്ച് വുഡ് ഹാവ് ബീൻ ടേക്കൺ അവേ, ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ, 4.5 years ago. But so every day now what I do is every day I take it as a blessing. At the end of the day when I go to bed, I sincerely give thanks to the Lord for completing that one full day. It doesn't matter if it was so busy or so stressful. Yes, I am a human being and I do complain, right? Maduthu and all, ഭയങ്കര ജോലിയെ തിരക്കാ. But at the end of the day, I always reflect back to me that I'm still alive today. I mean, that's a great blessing that, a human can have, ഒരു ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യുക, ഡേ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുക. It's a blessing. It's a great blessing. And every day I take it as a blessing, and I tell God that, God, today is a blessing that you gave me. I don't want to disappoint you by giving you all my complaints and worries. Instead, I need to be gratitude. I need to be thankful for everything that I have, So what I started doing was I started writing a book called like a gratitude book. And for the past 4 years, I mean, this is not the book this is the book I started writing in September. But before that, I was writing in a Word document, like, നമ്മുടെ തന്നെ ലാപ്ടോപ്പിൽ I used to write every day at least 1 sentence or 5 sentences or 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, whatever that comes to my mind. I connect with the Lord. That's how I pray. I do the normal, pray with my kid, like അവർ ഉറങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കും. അല്ലാതെ as a 101, what I do is every day I write on some form of media. ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ അത് I use my media, or I use my സാധാരണ Word document, like type up, or my phone on my notes I type up whatever that comes to my mind. I mean, it's all about me connecting to God the Almighty, connecting to Jesus, or whatever you can call it. For me personally, it's Jesus. And I also do one-on-one connection with God the Creator, because He is the God. Like, I mean, there should be a creator for everything. I totally believe, through my experience, I came to know there is somebody who listens to you, your heart, and He, He gave me second life. So what I do is every day now I started writing just the gratitude, whatever I'm thankful for, and it has been so much, it has been helping me a lot. And I like my sincere purpose of my life is to share people that you need to be gratitude towards the pleasant scenarios in your life, the unpleasant things that comes to your life, because there is a reason why these unpleasant things comes to you. Because unpleasant things aanengilum pleasant things aanengilum, you are there being alive to experience it. And even if it's non-pleasant things, it helps you to become a better person. Sufferings and pain only makes you a better human being. Because എൻ്റെ ലൈഫിൽ ഓവറോൾ ദിസ് പാസ്റ്റ് 34 years എടുത്ത് നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ there's lots of ups and downs in life.